Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly personal and empowering: the gifts of the Spirit. Have you ever wondered if you have a special purpose? Or maybe you've seen someone do something amazing for others and thought, wow, I wish I could do that. Well, the great news is you can, and you're already equipped to do so. Let's start in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 12. The Apostle Paul writes something profound. He says, "There are different kinds of gifts, but the same Spirit distributes them." He goes on to say, "Now to each one, the manifestation of the Spirit is given for the common good." Let's break that down. First, there are different gifts. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. Your gift might look totally different from your friends, your pastors, or your family members, and that's by design. It's like a sports team where you have players in different positions, each with a unique role. You have the quarterback, the defenders, the receivers, all essential for the team to succeed. In the same way, the diversity of our spiritual gifts is what makes the community of faith so strong and vibrant. Second, these gifts come from the same Spirit. This is a beautiful reminder of our unity. Even though our contributions are unique, the source is the same. It's a unifying force, connecting us all to one purpose. Third, and this is the key point, these gifts are given to each one for the common good. This is so important. These gifts aren't just for our own benefit or to make us feel special. They are tools given to us so we can build up, support, and serve the people around us. Your gift is your unique way of making the world a better place, of showing love and support to others. It's not about personal glory. It's about collective well-being. So, what are these gifts? 1 Corinthians 12 lists several of them. There's the message of wisdom, which is like having deep insight and understanding to help navigate complex situations. There's the message of knowledge, the ability to understand and share deep truths. Then you have faith, not just everyday belief, but a profound, mountain-moving trust that inspires everyone around you. There are also gifts of healing, which can be physical, emotional, or spiritual restoration for others. The gift of miraculous powers, extraordinary works that point to a higher purpose. Prophecy, which is about speaking truth and encouragement to build others up. The ability to distinguish between spirits, which is a form of discernment to recognize what is true and good. Speaking in different kinds of tongues and the interpretation of tongues. These are gifts of communication that bridge gaps and bring understanding. Now you might hear this list and think, whoa, that sounds pretty intense. I don't know if I have any of those. But hold on, because the Bible gives us even more examples, and some of them might feel a lot more familiar. Let's jump over to Romans chapter 12. Paul is writing to another church, and he gives another list of gifts. He says, we have different gifts, according to the grace given to each of us. Again, we see the themes of diversity and grace. Here's the list from Romans: serving, teaching, encouraging, giving, leadership, and showing mercy. Now, doesn't that sound a little more down to earth? Think about the gift of serving. Are you someone who just naturally sees a need and jumps in to help without needing any recognition? You might have the gift of serving. You're the person who stays after an event to clean up, who brings a meal to a sick friend, who just makes things happen behind the scenes. That is a powerful, essential gift. What about teaching? Are you good at explaining complex ideas in a way that people can understand? Do you love to share knowledge and help others grow in their understanding? That's the gift of teaching. It's not just for classrooms, it's for mentoring, guiding, and illuminating truth for others. Then there's encouraging. Are you the person your friends call when they're having a bad day? Do you just have a knack for lifting people's spirits and reminding them of their worth and potential? That is the gift of encouragement. And in a world that can often feel discouraging, your gift is like a refreshing drink of water. How about the gift of giving? This isn't just about being wealthy. It's about having a generous spirit. People with this gift give freely, joyfully, and often sacrificially. Whether it's with their money, their time, or their resources, they find deep joy in providing for the needs of others. Next is leadership. This isn't about being bossy. True spiritual leadership is about guiding, protecting, and motivating a group toward a common goal with diligence and care. A good leader inspires trust and empowers others to use their own gifts. And finally, showing mercy. Are you someone who feels deep compassion for those who are hurting? Are you drawn to comfort the afflicted, visit the lonely, and care for the suffering with a cheerful and gentle heart? That is the beautiful gift of mercy. When you look at both of these lists together, from 1 Corinthians and Romans, you see this incredible spectrum of gifts. Some seem extraordinary, others seem more ordinary, but every single one is vital. No gift is more important than another. The person who quietly serves in the background is just as valuable as the person who teaches to a large crowd. The one who shows mercy to a single hurting soul is just as important as the one who leads a whole organization. The real question is, how do you discover your gift? It's not like taking a personality test, though those can sometimes offer clues. Discovering your spiritual gift is a journey of self-discovery and service. First, pay attention to what you're passionate about. What activities give you energy and make you feel alive? What problems in the world stir your heart and make you want to act? Often, our passions are a signpost pointing toward our gifts. Second, look at what you're effective at. Where do you see positive results when you do something? Do people often tell you, "You're so good at listening," or "You always know just what to say," or "Things run so much more smoothly when you're in charge"? The feedback of others can be a mirror, reflecting your gifts back to you. Third, and most importantly, just start serving. You don't have to have it all figured out. Try different things. Volunteer in your community. Help out at your church. Offer to mentor someone younger than you. As you step out and begin to serve, you'll start to discover where you fit best. You'll find the roles where you not only feel fulfilled, but also where you are genuinely making a difference for the common good. Remember, these gifts are given by grace. You don't have to earn them or prove you're worthy of them. They are a free gift, an expression of love meant to be shared. Your unique gift is your part to play in a much bigger story. It's your personal invitation to contribute, to connect, and to make a lasting impact. So I want to leave you with this encouragement today. You are gifted. You have a unique and vital role to play. Start exploring, start serving, and watch how using your gift not only blesses others, but also brings incredible joy and purpose to your own life. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What gifts do you see in yourself or others? Let's continue the conversation down below. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.